name is David Renovato. I work for the paint and sign shop. I manufacture and install overhead street name signs on the platform truck. I do specialty projects like this behind me, putting up the banners, and also assist the striper truck. Know a little bit of everything in the department. I call them the Mexican streamers. We're putting them up for, I think, the holidays and just making it look festive downtown. We all work together as a team. We kind of discuss it beforehand. One person gets in one corner and I'm on the caddy corner. We start streaming them up together, tie them to the top of the poles, bring them down, and we have our ground guy, which is, they bring the two pieces of the puzzle together. We just connect them and just work together as a team to get the job done. I don't mind going up high. No, I'm not scared of heights. It's nothing new. Just gotta move with the flow. From Fresno, California, born and raised here. I like what I do. It's not really work when you like what you're doing. But it makes you smile. It gives me a proud feeling to know I did that and someone else gets to enjoy something that I did. So it makes me happy. I take pride in where I live and where I work.